Hey guys, my name is Jasmine and I achieved this look using the Morphe and James Charles palette along with these brushes. If you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. So I know I am so late on this little wave, but they kept selling out over and over. Every single time I've tried to get it, sold out. But I finally got my hands on it. Yay! Okay. So this is a regular, normal Morphe palette. The James Charles palette. This thing is bigger than my head. And I have a big head, okay? Oh, no. We're not dropping this. Holy colors, right? Along with that are these beautiful brushes. So it has two little buttons right here on each side. So you just pop and then pop. So they all did come individually packaged. It was so wrapped up that it filled up all this. With wrappers. I don't know why I did that, because now I have to clean it up. And there's still some more in here. But the real question is, do they perform good? Do they blend better? Are the colors amazing? So let's put it to the test. So right now I have nothing on whatsoever. Just gonna spray my face with the MAC Prime and Prep, the Fix Spray, and this is in the scent Rose. It has a little pinkish color to it. But yes, let's. Smells amazing. Now, brows. Ooh, holy eyebrow. I know what you think. Girl, what is you doing? But trust the process. Trust the process for real. This is the M124, and I'm gonna take my Tarte concealer. Yes. Now let me do this one. Hopefully they're sisters. Sisters, no? Okay, maybe they'll be twins. Okay, BRB. And I'm back looking as crazy as ever, but okay. I'm gonna take a little bit more concealer and a beauty blender. So I'm gonna put some on my lids for sure. So you're gonna blend, and you're not gonna stop blending until there's no more blending to do. Which is never. I'm just kidding. So like, eyebrows on fleek or not? I'm gonna go in with, which brush should I use? A nice fluffy brush will work. Let's see, this is the M441. I'm dead. It's called Flashback. Flashback Mary. Genius, I love it. And do some flashback. Ooh, okay. And now I'm just gonna go in. It's pretty much like, it's gonna set the concealer I put as a primer. Just a little whoosh. So now using the M506, I'm gonna dive into Love That. This beautiful burgundy-ish, pinkish color thing. And I'm really gonna focus that in my crease. I love that. This color is bomb.com. Okay, so now using a more fluffy brush, this is the M443. I'm gonna go into Escape, this dark purple right here. And I'm gonna go on my outer corners and just fluff that color all the way in. Okay, so the colors are definitely very pigmented and matte. Like a matte that's pigmented, amazing. Amazing. We're gonna cut the crease using this bad boy right here. This is the M224, going in with the Tarte concealer. This brush, it really helps. Like it just stamps on your concealer. This yellow, oh my, it's screaming, use me.
Use me. Use me. So I'm gonna use it.
It's called B. Like, bzz. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so using the M431 brush, I'm gonna use B, cutie patootie, and I'm really gonna pack that into that cut. Not all the way, just the inner part. Very bright, love it. Now let's see if it's as bright as it is on the brush. Okay, hello bee. I don't really like bees, but I like this bee. Work, yellow, work. Okay, now it's time to transition that yellow to that purple. So I'm gonna use the M433 and dive into 518, this orangey color. A little bit of that. Let's see. Whoa, hello fallout. We're gonna take that orange and place it in the middle of the eye towards the end of the cut. Now taking a clean M456, I'm gonna go into You're Kidding. We're just gonna slightly buff in that red on the outside part of the cut. Alrighty. Now using a clean M456, I'm gonna go into Single, aka me, right here. And we're gonna use that to blend these two colors together. We're gonna go in with this very light pink. It looks white, but I promise it's pink. It's called Pinkity Drinkity. It's so cute. We're using that light pink to feather out that harsh line. All right, that's way better. Look, boom, boom. See that little halo kind of moment? That's what we're looking for. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty liner and put on some lashes, and I shall be right back. Voila. Yes, eyeliner and lashes make a big difference. Even though the makeup looked bomb before, it just took it up that notch that it needed. So for the glow, I'm gonna go in with the M501, this beautiful fluffy brush. I'm gonna give it a quick little spritz so that glow can be out of this world. There was so much hype about that being a highlighter, so let's see how it really works. Let's see. Ooh, hello. Ooh. Very pretty. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, James. Okay, I see what you mean.
Hello. Rudolph the glow-nosed reindeer had a very glowy nose. And if you ever saw her, you would really say it glowed.
Ooh. Ooh la la. I'm gonna take the leftover that was on the brush that we used for the purple and just sweep it under the eye really quick just for that color. Little Beyonce moment. Alrighty, James Charles palette, A+, okay? The colors, amazing. The blendability, amazing. The pigments, oh my gosh. Do I have to say any more? Just, oh, that yellow B, is that you? I've been waiting for this palette forever. So I'm happy to have my hands on it, and I can't wait to see what other beautiful creations I can create with this. Go ahead and subscribe. Let's build a little army together. Let's see what creations we can make together. I'm learning just like y'all are. I usually don't know what I'm doing. I just start and then something happens, and that's usually how my makeup routine goes. I really hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, you know the drill, thumbs up. All right guys, let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys later. That glow, what?